Les Chatterley with Sinful Saucings. Today's program sponsored by Catalyst Brewing Company. They've got a lovely deadweight German amber lager. Bit nutty. And today's feature hot sauce from Intense Hot Sauce will be the Dragon's Breath. Aptly named. So I think our flavor pairing with that today will be enjoyed with a lemon drop lollipop. I know it seems weird. Trust me, do it all the time. Spicy, citrus, excellent. Terrific. And our second sauce is the Intense Hot Sauce Pyrophoric. I'm told this one's quite intense, and I'm looking forward to it. Now I'm told I have a surprise pairing today, and it appears to be mackerel. Really? That's what we're doing? Okay. All right. No, that's fine. All right. Okay. Sure. Bones too. Very important for flavor. Hot sauce is excellent. I question the quality of the dish. Great. Yeah, that's great. Stay saucy, friends. I've been Les Chatterley.